Happy Wednesday, Anthony Special here with Big Energy Profits. Want to give you a quick market update. Oil is, at least at the moment, moving in a relatively strong upward movement. We are anticipating the inventory report to be released today at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. The API stats last night after the close showed a draw of crude about 3.6 million barrels, but the gasoline added 5.6 and distillants added 3 million barrels. So, again, another mixed bag of inventory stats here. So we're going to see what happens at 10:30 this morning. See where our inventories stand, and that will likely take us to wherever we're headed to in the market today. Couple things to circle back on. Of course, the Johnson & Johnson issue with the vaccine that is, complicating the recovery, if you want to put it in those words. So the virus is still a very viable, reason to see the market continue to fluctuate up and down. So we have to keep that in perspective here. And the value is of being aware of what's going on and then letting the technicals, of course, lead us to where we are headed. Moving forward, we're probably about 6 weeks out until Memorial Day. That is a heavily traveled holiday. And with the majority of people vaccinated, or at least a good portion, I don't want to say a majority, a good portion of people vaccinated, I do anticipate that we will see a heavily traveled Memorial Day season. And by season, I mean that's the start of, unofficial start of summer. People are going to be going on the road trips. They're going to be going places, doing things. The weather's, of course, starting to cooperate, and life is starting to flourish again. And so that is a hopeful sign. That is one thing that we have to look forward to. I think most people are tired of being cooped up in the house. I think they're ready to get out there, live their life, do what they have to do, of course in a safe manner, and of course I promote that, whether it's you get vaccinated, your social distance, whatever you do to stay safe and healthy, of course that's the most important thing. Now, from a purely technical standpoint, I think $59 area should absorb any selling pressure. The mid $62 area is probably going to absorb any buying pressure. If we do get a close above that area today, we could be onward to potentially in the coming days or weeks retest our previous high. That is a possibility. We will see how that transpires. Of course, we will let the market tell us what it's going to do. That's how we have successfully over the years navigated this market, by just listening to it and allowing it to A, breathe, and B, tell us which direction it wants to go in. And then we position ourselves to take advantage of that. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about, who I am, what Big Energy Profits is, how the service was built upon, the foundation of it, my style of trading, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it'll take you to my training webinar, give you an opportunity to learn more about all that, more about me, and more about how maybe something that this service has to offer you will help you, of course, be profitable, but also, of course, help you learn something for the future. And that's my goal. My goal is to fulfill you with tons and tons of knowledge and give you a different angle of perspective of a way to look at the market. So if you want to click that link, check out the training webinar. Feel free to join Big Energy Profits. We would love to welcome you to the family. And with that, guys, we'll do our very best here, of course, to pick the best trades that are possible. I mean, of course, we can't guarantee anything, but with that being said, our objective here is to passively trade with massive potential. So, guys, I'd love to welcome you to the family. Have a blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.